Welcome back to Space and Place Smart Ideas. Today, we're stepping inside the world of music legends to explore the jaw-dropping homes of famous American artists. From modern mansions in Los Angeles to secluded tropical retreats, these homes reflect their owners' unique styles. Which celebrity home will be your favorite? Taylor Swift or maybe Ariana? Let us know in the comments. But first, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss an episode of incredible design inspiration. Let's get started. Kicking off our tour, we step inside Ariana Grande's Hollywood Hills mansion, a $13.7 million modern marvel that's as chic and sophisticated as the pop star herself. This all-glass contemporary home offers floor-to-ceiling windows, allowing breathtaking skyline views of Los Angeles. The interior design of Wicked's co-star is minimalist yet warm, featuring neutral tones, high ceilings, and sleek finishes. The open-plan living space, combined with luxury marble and wooden accents, gives it a cozy yet high-end feel. One of the most striking features? A dramatic infinity-edge pool, which creates a seamless blend between indoor and outdoor living, offering a true luxury retreat. Next, we have the Weeknd's stunning Bel-Air mansion, a 33,000 square foot architectural masterpiece that defines modern luxury. Purchased for a staggering $70 million, this estate is an entertainer's dream, featuring a minimalist design, towering glass walls, and breathtaking panoramic views of Los Angeles. Inside, the open-concept layout blends sleek elegance with high-end functionality. The mansion boasts a private recording studio, a spa with a sauna, a home theater, and even a massive infinity pool overlooking the city. Every room is designed with a monochromatic color scheme, giving the home a futuristic yet welcoming ambience. It's the perfect reflection of the Weeknd's modern and artistic aesthetic. Ed Sheeran may be known for his laid-back personality, but his New York City rented home is nothing short of stylish. Located in Tribeca, this industrial chic apartment embodies modern city living. Featuring exposed brick walls, high ceilings, and oversized windows, this home seamlessly blends historic charm with contemporary design. The combination of vintage furniture, modern lighting, and open spaces gives it an effortlessly cool and sophisticated vibe. It's a perfect example of urban elegance with an artistic touch. Camila Cabello's Hollywood Hills home is a stunning blend of Mediterranean charm and modern coziness. This inviting yet stylish residence features earthy tones, warm lighting, and plush furniture, making it feel like a private sanctuary. The outdoor space is equally impressive, with lush gardens, a cozy fire pit, and a serene swimming pool. The home's arched doorways, terracotta roof tiles, and wooden accents add to its classic Mediterranean appeal. Inside, the mix of bohemian-inspired decor, soft textiles, and intimate nooks creates a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Whether she's relaxing by the fireplace or enjoying the sunshine in her beautifully landscaped backyard. This home perfectly mirrors Camila's laid-back yet stylish personality. John Legend and Chrissy Teigen's Los Angeles home is a perfect mix of warmth, elegance, and modern design. Unlike the ultra-minimalist style of some celebrity homes, their estate is designed for comfort and everyday luxury. The interior is dominated by natural wood, stone textures, and earthy tones, creating a calm and inviting atmosphere. With vaulted ceilings, an open-concept kitchen, and massive windows, this home perfectly balances functionality and beauty. The outdoor area, featuring a serene pool, lounge spaces, and greenery, enhances the relaxing and sophisticated ambience. If you love bohemian, tropical-inspired living, then Lenny Kravitz's Brazilian farmhouse will be your dream home. This unique retreat, nestled deep in the lush jungles of Brazil, is a fusion of nature, art, and music. The design features handcrafted furniture, vintage collectibles, and expansive outdoor spaces that blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. Lenny's love for natural textures, rustic wooden beams, and eclectic decor makes this home a true bohemian paradise, reflecting his artistic and free-spirited lifestyle. Taylor Swift's Rhode Island mansion is the epitome of classic East Coast luxury. This seaside estate, often the backdrop for her famous 4th of July parties, is grand yet inviting. With traditional architecture, vintage decor, and stunning ocean views, this home is an example of timeless elegance. It's a space that feels both regal and homey, reflecting Taylor's love for historic charm. Taylor Swift owns several properties, including her Tribeca penthouse in NYC, designed with exposed beams, soft neutral tones, and vintage decor. Taylor also owns the Adelicia penthouse in Nashville, featuring elegant decor and skyline views. Their parents' lives in a Greek-style mansion in the same city. She also had a Los Angeles estate, featuring classic Hollywood glamour with timeless elegance. Each home tells a different story, reflecting her evolving personal style over the years. That wraps up our tour of the most incredible celebrity homes. From ultra-modern mansions to charming historic retreats, these spaces show how much interior design can reflect personality and lifestyle. Which celebrity home was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Space and Place Smart Ideas, and hit the notification bell for more incredible design inspiration. New videos every week. See you in the next one.